This bed here at our safe house, KH Home, has already been able to provide rest for two beautiful young women who have been victimized by sex trafficking. And that's what we want for the young ladies here in South Carolina. This bed is not symbolic of what they're used to. It is not tied to victimization, abuse, or exploitation. We want this bed to be a place where they can truly come and find rest, where their nightmares can be reclaimed, and where they can instead find bright dreams of hope and future and freedom. Will you help us to be able to bring many more young women into this residential property so that they too can find rest? Help us reach our goal this year at Midlands Gives of $30,000 so that this property can again be filled with the laughter, the joy, the smiles, and the hope of girls who have come and had love redefined for them here at KH Home.